At the Edinburgh Practice, we want to make the process of requesting your prescription as easy as possible. To request a prescription, we would ask that you log on to our client portal on our website and complete our prescription request form. This request form will ask for details such as your name, your date of birth, your doctor, and the medication and dose that you're currently taking. Once this form is completed, it will be passed on to your doctor for review. It can take up to 7 working days for your prescription to be completed by your doctor, and therefore it is good practice to request your prescription at least 14 days before you're due to run out of your medication. This is to ensure sufficient time for the team to prepare your prescription and arrange for collection or delivery. Any comments left on the prescription request form are for information only. If you have any questions or queries in relation to the medication that you're taking, we would advise that you make a review appointment with your doctor. If you are taking regular medication, you may need to come into the practice for a review appointment. Our doctors must review clients regularly to comply with best practice guidelines. If you are submitting a prescription request for ADHD medication, we also ask that you complete a psychiatry physical observation form at the same time, which can also be found on our client portal. This form requires an update on your health and physical observations and will ask your current weight, height, blood pressure and pulse rate. We must receive your physical observation form to be able to process your prescription for ADHD medication. At the Edinburgh Practice, we want to offer a flexible and efficient service for prescriptions. Clients can choose from several options to receive their prescription once it's completed by their doctor. Clients can come into the practice to collect their prescription, or we can post this to your preferred pharmacy or to your home address. For delivery, we do charge additional postage costs. If you have any questions or queries regarding your prescription, please get in touch with the practice.